Let's install the C20 BluArmor on our new LS2 Storm. First thing, you need to just remove all the internal cushions. So I've already removed one side. I'll remove the other side. And you got to remove all the paddings. I know it's pretty dark, but let me just pick up the camera and I'll show you once you remove this how the internals would look like. So these are three things you have to remove. 2 cheek pads and the cushion to your head. So these three things have been removed. Okay, let me show you how the internals would look like. So this is where the speaker goes in. I hope it's visible. Let's fix the speaker. Good thing is on the C20 they have given a 3mm tape, and also there is a Velcro material that's already on that speaker. So this should be easy to install. It should not be much of hassle. Let me just try it. Just don't remove the 3M sticker. Don't remove the sticker. Let the sticker be there. Just try to remove this part. Same thing on the other speaker as well. Just try to remove this part because this should sit in the helmet without any stickers. Just look at the right and left. It will be written. Yeah, there is right, there is left. Ensure this alignment is correct. Otherwise, while you're listening to music, you might just have a funny feeling. This side will be my right and that side will be my left. Let me just put it on. Yeah, just sits like that. Same thing on the left, it should just sit. Boom. No need of putting on the 3mm stickers, and it's pretty easy. You don't need the spacers as well because it's pretty much there's a cavity to install the speakers nowadays in most of the new helmets. Okay, we got the speakers installed. Now let's go ahead and get the mic fixed. So if anyone know what is this used for, please let me know. This comes the corner of the helmet. I don't know what it is used for. So I'm using the boom mic, and the mic would go into this particular connector. Okay, it just sits. So this boom mic should go over there's a cavity over here, so the mic would sit there, and then yeah, so this is how the mic is supposed to sit in the helmet. So it'll be concealed. On top of this you'll have the cheek guard. So let me fix that. Okay, now that's fixed. Okay, next up let's fix the 3-button module. That should go over here on your helmet, and the wire would just go right in and would connect to 3.5mm jack over here like that. Okay, let's mount the 3-button module over here. This would be the right place, so the wire can go in just like that. It's pretty simple. There's already adhesive 3M tape on this. Need to just ensure that it is stuck properly. There you go. Now that's stuck. We got the 3-button module, we got the mic, and we got the speaker put in. The next stop is to go ahead and install the main module. That is the C20 intercom piece. Choose a spot in which you want to install, and I would choose over here. And you just ensure that it's in the center. Let me install this. Okay, I've installed it over here. I hope you're able to see it. I hope I got the center properly, the alignment. And now goes the dock. Okay, and to remove it will be pretty easy. Just remove it and to dock it. Okay, you just dock it. Now goes the module in it. So ensure that you are aligning it with the C-type port into this hole. Oh, it just clicks. Okay. Now that's seated. Yeah, removal should be easy. All you have to do is just press this and you should be able to remove it. Okay, comes off. Let's put that in. You'll hear a click. Okay, that means it's seated properly. Now there's one more cable that you need to connect. It'll be written clearly on this. Used for audio only, not for charging. So this is the cable which will go from here into the earphones. So this piece should go in here. Yeah, you see that? It just went in. There's a blue light indicating that it's turned on right now. And this piece will just go right over here. Connected. Let me just put in the cheek pads and then I will show you the helmet in one piece. Okay, finally we've installed it. Just let me know how it looks. I had to pull it down because the cable was not enough. So instead of mounting it on top, I mounted it at bottom. This is my LS2 Storm 2 FF800 helmet with C20 BluArmor installed on it. Quick correction, I removed the mount from here and I put it here because the length was not enough to connect to the other cables inside. So this is one correction that I've done, but otherwise I've pretty much kept it the way that I explained in the video. This is your 3-button module. This is your main module for the intercom. And I've mounted it on the LS2 Storm 2 FF800 helmet. Just let me know how you like this helmet and the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. I hope you have fun watching it as well. We will be doing more tech videos like this. We will be doing more ride videos like this. Keep supporting our channel. We are 4,000 strong members right now. We're looking forward to grow. We have a lot of potential to grow. It all depends on you guys. Hit that subscribe, share this video, and do let me know in the comments below how this video is, and keep supporting Foodie Rides Techie Vibes. This is Naveen signing off. See you all. Take care. Ciao.